You need to add your Office 365 work email in Outlook. Here you'll see. For this, we're going to need to open Outlook on your computer. If this is your first time opening Outlook, it will automatically ask you to add your account. If Outlook is already set up with another email, go to File and select Add Account. In our case, it's a new time, so we're going to need to enter our email address and we're going to click Connect. This is an Office 365. In your case, can be Google, can be Outlook.com, etc. You should see the Microsoft Sign In window. You're going to need to enter your password and click Sign In. You may be asked as well to approve the login using the Microsoft Authenticator app on the screen or password entry or Microsoft login window and MFA approval if it's set up. Once you sign in, Outlook will gonna begin to sync your email, calendars, and contacts. This may take a few minutes depending on mailbox size. If this is a new mailbox you was just hired, this will gonna be really quick. But if you worked for a few years and your mailbox is big, that may be taking a while. So be prepared. At the moment, we are waiting to be added and need to be just patient and let the computer do its own work, adding the account. And it's already all set. In our case, it's Outlook is asking if we want to be set up on mobile as well. We can choose skip or continue. In our case, we're gonna just skip it and click done. That's it. Your Office 365 work email is now added to Outlook on the left pane, and you can start sending and receiving messages right away. On the screen, as you see, the folder is not updated yet, but it's starting updating. And how I said, depending on your mailbox size, if you are new or an older employee, this may take a while. In our case, it's a new mailbox and it took really quick to be fully loaded. For more videos, please subscribe and watch us.